crazy. I'm crazy for feeling so lonely. I'm crazy, crazy for feeling so blue. I knew you'd love me as long as you wanted, and then someday you'd leave me for somebody new. Worry, why do I let myself worry? Wondering what in the world did I do? Oh, crazy for thinking that my love could hold you. I'm crazy for trying and crazy for crying, and I'm crazy for loving you. Crazy for thinking that my love could hold you. I'm crazy for trying and crazy for crying, and I'm crazy for loving you.
I was waltzing with my darling to the Tennessee waltz when an old friend I happened to meet. I introduced her to my sweetheart while they were dancing. My friend stole my sweetheart from me. Well, I remember the night and the Tennessee waltz. Only you know how much I have lost. I have lost my only sweetheart. The night they were playing the beautiful Tennessee waltz. Tennessee walls, that beautiful Tennessee walls. Come into my solitude, though I weary be. Come into my tenderness, dream along with me. Listen to the whispers sing, listen to the singer shout. Come into my solitude, me and my big mouth. Thoughts unspoken, thoughts unsaid, lies of hearth and home. Children broken on the bed and left to lie alone. Things you talk around, scum you choke on down. Come into my solitude, step on sacred ground. We were speaking of values and violence, breaking silence. Fathers who are lovers to the daughters that they own. Mothers who don't leave a child a single safety zone. People so unhinged that death is much too kind. Come into my solitude, step over that line. Thought it was the only one. Thought it was the only. Thought it was the only one. Speaking of values and violence, breaking silence. Coming to my solitude, welcome to the wheel. Come into this wonderland of wounds that will not heal. Walls that do not speak, steps that do not sound. Come into my solitude, burn this building down.
Hey there, I like what I see. I've been sitting here moping, wishing and hoping you like me. Hey there, I like your smile. I like your big brown eyes, your pearly white teeth. I like your style. I may not be good looking, I may not be built for speed, But I'm a lover, a sender, a downtown money spender. Silly boy, what more do you need? Hey there, what's your name? You've been a slipping and a sliding, ducking and a hiding. What's your game?
Hey there, I'm a son of a gun. I call all the women honey, spend all the money, then I'm on the run. Oh, hey there, I like what I see. I like the way you wear your pretty, pretty hair. I'm glad you like me. You may not be good looking, you may not be built for speed, but I'm a lover and a sender, downtown money spender. Silly girl, what more do I need? You can come on over to my house, that will be you and me. I can tell by your look, you're a good cook. I can be there about 3.
Hey there, what's your name? You've been a slipping and a sliding, ducking and a hiding. What's your game? I may not be good looking, I may not be built for speed. Yeah, I'm a lover, a sender, a downtown money spender. Silly boy, what more do you need? Come on over to my house, everything's gonna be fine. You just come after breakfast, bring along your lunch, leave before supper time. Hey, say, hey there, what's your name? Ooh, hey there, what's your game? I says, hey there, what's your name? Ooh, hey there, what's your game?
The bluest morning ever broke today. Forgo the nighttime, find the moon in the afternoon. Cry all day. One is forgiven much too soon. Another year has come and gone my way. My blood is thicker, showing signs of pathology. Fast on the track to decay. Remorse as company here to face is lost in this cafe. Their lips forever chat a gray uniformity. Cry all day. Amazing lethargy, here to stay. I need you, I lost you, what a shame. No sunrise, no coffee, what a shame. No seaside, no trumpets, no beatniks, no poets, what a shame.
Plain gold ring on his finger he wore. It was where everyone could see he belonged to someone, but not me. On his hand was a plain gold band. Plain gold ring had a story to tell. It was one that I knew too well. In my heart, it will never be spring, long as he wears a plain gold ring. When nighttime comes a calling on me, I know why I will never be free. I can't stop these teardrops of mine. I'm gonna love him till the end of time. Plain gold ring has but one thing to say. I'll remember till my dying day. In my heart, it will never be spring,